Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the alien world TLM. And in today's video, I want to show you how the price line of TLM has completed a very big bullish harmonic reversal pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern that TLM has formed on the weekly time frame. And you can see the price line entered here on 3rd of January when the weekly candlestick of 3rd of January was open. The price line entered here in the buying zone, and right now it is getting bounced by a very strong support of 10 cents. Even though, as per the Fibonacci sequence, our buying zone is very wide from 17 cents to approximately 7 cents. But we have a very strong support here. Therefore, I told my members that from here we can expect a reversal move, because you can see that here we have a very strong support at 10 cents. And right now the price line is having a very nice accumulation here. It stopped here. We had a sideways move, and now we are bouncing back. 1, 2, and 3. And while the price line is having a reversal move from this support, there is something happening on the daily time frame chart as well. This is the live daily time frame chart. And you can see that the price line was moving in this down channel since 21st of November. We had so many touch points at the resistance and also several touch points at the support as well. And you can see that we were testing the resistance more than the support, and the more we will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. And right now the price line has broken out the resistance, but there is another price level resistance of 15 cents, and previously this 15 cents resistance level has been working as a very strong support and resistance. You can see here it worked as a support, as a support, as a support, and here it worked as a support. Right now it can work as a resistance. Did not work as a resistance before, but now it can turn into resistance, because the previous history is showing that it is one of the strongest support as per the previous history of TLM. Therefore, now we can have some trouble here. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, like the RSI, we have still problem here. When we were looking the chart of the immutable X, I was telling you that immutable X is also breaking out with the hidden bearish divergence, because the oscillator was not able to, the price line was not able to form another higher than previous high, while the oscillator was forming at the immutable X chart. And here we are also having the same situation, that oscillator was forming higher than previous high, but the price line is not able to form another higher than previous high so far. And I'm expecting that once the price line will be able to break out this 15 cents resistance, because this is really very strong resistance, then this hidden bearish divergence can be also removed, and it can start the next move and set another higher than previous high. Now let's take a look at the hourly time frame chart. And on this very small time frame, we are moving in a rising wedge pattern. Now, if the price line breaks out the resistance, you can see that the resistance will be approximately at 15 cents, where we have the strongest support. Now it is working as a resistance of 15 cents. So if the price line breaks out this wedge on the hourly time frame, then there will be a really very high probability that the price line will also set another higher than previous high, and also cross up the 15 cents resistance as well. However, our sell targets are, as per this Fibonacci sequence of the cipher move, are from 31.95 cents and goes to 47.59 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.